Hey everyone, Dave from Repair Daily. So as I told you on the last video about sealing the deck, which is all sealed and finished now, that I had a pile here of the old deck, which we're going to turn into raised beds to replace my wife's garden and get it all taken care of. But I've got an issue, and that's what we're going to take care of today, and just stay tuned. So here's my big issue, and that is these fence posts that we put in around her garden. They've been in for quite a while, and if you've ever tried to take a fence post like this out that's been driven in and it's been in the ground for a while, you know that it can be very difficult. I've got several of these around. I've got them around some of my apple trees to keep the deer away, and I'm going to show you the solution that I came up with. And this is a first test, so we'll see how it's going to go, see how it works. Okay, so first let me show you my setup here. I have an Exmark zero turn that I have a hitch on the back, and I have set up a fence post puller. And this is the very first test. We've never tried this before. We're all wired into the battery of the zero turn, and let's see how this works. Now I made a chain to go onto the bottom of the fence post here, and we're going to hook the cable up to it and give it a try, see if it will pull this thing out. Okay, so this is the first test. You can see we're connected. I do have a remote control for this, so I can stay away from it, and I'm going to hit it here and we're going to see if we start up. Check this out. Wow, that worked like a charm. Cool. So I will do some video on how to make this thing, and it was not hard to do. It does require some welding. You may be able to bolt things together to make this work, but if you like this idea, makes it easy to pull fence posts out for sure, please like and subscribe. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you'd like to see detailed plans on how this is made, please leave comments, and I'll get those things up. So until the next video, we'll see you, and this is Repair Daily signing out.